creatives, I believe this is the first time I'll be showing my face on you, like a talking head video. So I am Hennie and this is Hennie's Atani. If you're a returning creative, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to the community. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell to see more content like this. Today we are doing something different. We are making that bag. Today we are doing something different. We are making this bag. You see how pretty it is? I know, it is so pretty. This bag is the Pomme Mini Tote Bag designed by the Bag Goddess. I so much love this bag because it's such a pretty design, and my favorite part of it is the bow. Look at the bow. Look at it. Look at everything. Look at it. And the link to the pattern is in my description box, so you should make one or two for yourself. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial.
You can see here that I've gone ahead to cut all the panels out, the bows, the strip and the smaller bow pieces. Everything is cut out. I'm using this foam as a stabilizer because I don't have any suitable stabilizer on the ground. I would advise you to use the right stabilizer. And I've also gone ahead to cut out the lining. I'm using vinyl leather, also known as double-faced leather in Nigeria, for the accent material. There are two options on how to finish the top part of the bag. You can bind it or choose not to. I am not binding mine, and that's why I am reducing my stabilizer. Now everything is ready, and I'm going to gum the stabilizer on the exterior materials. You can see here that I've done that, and we are going to be moving on to the bow. The bow pieces are double, so we are going to sew them together. I used super glue to hold it together before sewing, but you can use any other adhesive that you're comfortable with. You have to be careful when sewing this, as you don't want your bow to have zigzag stitches. You can go in one stitch at a time for precision. After sewing all the bow pieces together, you will glue the smaller panel on the bigger one. Just you see the way I placed it, and that's just how you're going to glue it on it. This is what you will have when you are done. I am going to fold the edges to meet and then glue them together. After you've done that to both panels, you are going to mark the middle of the tail. And glue the bow on it. After that, we are going to glue the bow band on it to cover the edge that is showing. Make sure that it is right at the center.
And with that, our ball is all done. Look how beautiful it is. So this is my favorite part of the bag. So nice.
Moving on to the handle, we are going to join the handle together. After that, you apply any adhesive of your choice. I used contact cement adhesive. And fold the sewing allowance like you see me doing. After this, I will apply gum on it also. And then fold the handle to meet at the center. You have something like this when you are done. You will fold the handle so that the joining we made is about half an inch inside and sew all round. You can use any adhesive of your choice to hold it together before sewing, so it does not move while sewing. The handle is ready and I've gone ahead to mark the rivet placement hole on it. I'm using super glue to hold the handle on the body before punching the holes. You can see on it that I've sewn the zipper, and after that I fixed the handle on it too. Now we're going to glue the bow on the main body. To do that, we push the remaining ends of the bow band into the slit we made earlier on. Pull it tight on the other side so the bow does not sag, and then glue it down with super glue. And with that, our gorgeous bow is fixed on the main body. We're going to sew the base on the front and on the back panel. So this is the side handle holder. I've marked where it will be on the body, and I'm going to sew it on the main body panel. And after that, I'm going to join the sides and join the base too. You can see that I've done that. And I also marked the 0.5 inch on the top of the bag. Moving on to the lining, we have the front panel, we have the back panel, and we also have the zipper pocket. It is 2, and we have the slip pocket. You are going to place the zipper pocket on one of the main body, right side facing each other. Make sure that it is right at the center and sew on the marked lines. After sewing, you will slit it open like so, and then make a V cut when you are close to the end. Turn to the other side and press. You can see here that I've gone ahead to press my own, and after that I'm going to insert the zipper pull on the zipper. Place it under the zipper window and sew all around. You will place the other panel of the zipper pocket on it and sew all around. Moving on to the slip pocket, you will join the sides and the bottom, and then snip the corner when you are done. Turn to the right side and press it. After that, you will bind the top with a strip of leather. Trim off the excess and sew it on the other body of the lining. Make sure that the slip pocket is centered before sewing. You can pin it down to keep it in place. After that, you will join the base to the body and press it. You will join the sides and the corners too. I marked a 0.5 inch on the top of the lining panel too, just like I did on the bag. You will fold the 0.5 inch mark in, and after that apply adhesive on the top of the bag and lining, then gum them together like you see me doing here. When you are done gumming them together, you are going to sew all around. You can see here that I've done that, and the next thing to do is to insert the zipper pull. Cut off the excess zipper and fix the zipper stopper. And with that, our gorgeous pomme bag is ready. Look at this gorgeousness. Look at this beauty. Guys, that is all, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.